It's just a vibe right now in the penthouse, right? Let me see if I can, yeah. Such a vibe in here at night, you guys. Like, it just never gets old. It really never does. We got the desk too. I mean, look at that view. It's like every night or every morning, right? Just looking over my desk onto this view. And something about like just this area that I live, it just looks so good at night. Like absolutely beautiful. You really can't beat it. And then you can see all the planes flying in too. And then this other tower that we have. But yeah, seriously guys, like, I remember it was crazy. If you see this building right here, so there's that building, and then there's another building behind it. If I zoom in, right, like that building right there, so zoomed in. But that building right there, I used to live in that one. And I would park in that garage right there, that garage. And every single time I'll get out of that garage, and I was driving literally my mom's car, bro. It was like a Toyota Highlander. I would have a perfect view of this building, but only the top floors, only the penthouses. And every morning I would wake up, and this was the time I was working at the hedge fund, making like zero bread, just learning, right? Just learning as much as I could. Every time, right, I would look up and I would see those top floors, and I would think to myself, I was like, I'm gonna get that. I would just see it every day. Go into my car thinking, I need that. I'm gonna have that. And I prayed to God, and I was like, God, like, I need it. I wanna become the person that has that. And I finally got it. And like, yeah, the Lambo's dope, but this was like my first real dream come true. Like my first like realization that, you know, I can have anything. I can do anything. And if you're sitting here watching this video and you're like, fuck, I want that. Like, this guy's young, he has this penthouse. Just know, like, you can fucking do it. Like, you can do it too. It honestly was not that hard to get here. All I needed to do was focus really hard on something, believe in myself, manifest it, right? Speaking it into existence. Like, I live there every day just seeing, I fucking want that. I'm gonna have that. And trusting God every step of the way. If you do all of those things, every single one of them, trust God, manifest, you can have anything that you want. Bro, I have it. Why can't you have it? So let's go ahead and let's get this drive going. Let's get this drive going. Let's get some drinks. We'll get a little bev run. I could use a bev. And I'm gonna see you at the whip. The one thing that I like actually hate about the Lambo, rich people problems, I hate this. It's like the lighting in it sucks. It's not like a Maybach where like all the lighting is super nice and I can film it. It's like, I have to figure out the best way to have it lit so that way you guys can see it, but I'm not blind trying to drive my car. So I'm thinking I might try to use the flash, or I might turn the lights on. I gotta experiment with it and see. Dude, I forgot my fucking keys, bro. Different POV though. Sheesh, just gotta take it all in. There she is. Absolute beaut. Absolute beaut. I'm a Bozer quick thumbnail. It's been my dream car for, I don't even know how long. Forever, bro. I've always wanted this car. And when I first got it, it was just this unbelievable moment. Let's start this thing up. You guys are gonna see just how crazy loud it is, but you already know too. The red interior Mando. That was like one of the biggest things. Is like if I get a Lambo, it needs to be all blacked out, red calipers, red guts, black and red. That's how I wanted it. And there it is. And it's crazy too because I always tell people this. I'm like, yo, when you get a car, this car chose me. Like I waited, I looked and looked and looked, and when the time was right, this car hit the market, private sale, got it for a stupid, crazy deal, and I was patient. And I haven't found my next car yet. It hasn't chosen me yet. But I know that the next car will choose me soon. Let's start this thing up. And let's see, how are we gonna do this? That should be good. Here goes. Sounds like fucking money, bro. It's like money, 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 money. This is what it sounds like. It sounds fucking rich, bro. Oh my gosh. Dude, let's get a couple rev skis. Oh, it's kind of cold. I should probably let it warm up a little bit. We'll drive it out and then we'll have plenty of opportunities for rev skis, but Lamborghini. You already know, you guys. It just feels crazy, honestly, sitting in here and driving this car because, and here, I'll get this shit going, and we'll gotta raise the front lift. Have to. Let me put up my seatbelt. But, and I'll talk to you guys about this. Like, what does it actually feel like to own this car, right? What is it like now that you made it, right? Honestly, owning this car, you know, I thought that almost every single day was going to be like driving it and feeling this feeling of almost like euphoria. Like, oh, I made it. You know, this is my car. But now that I have this car, I don't want to say it feels normal, but I think I've grown used to it. And I've grown fully into the guy that drives the Lambo, right? Like, I am fucking Lambo guy. It sounds fucking dumb. But now that I am the person that drives this car, I feel like I have this permanent sense of aura and this permanent just like vibe that is like a boss. Like I feel like a fucking boss in this car. I feel like nobody can talk shit to me. I feel like I fucking did it. I honestly do not believe anyone can talk fucking shit to me because, like, I have a supercar, you know, I'm in good fucking shape, and I grinded so fucking hard, like, so fucking hard. I cried. I'd fucking cry because I didn't have this yet, or I wasn't the man that I knew I could be. I fucking cried multiple times thinking, I need to get this. I need to become him. And now that I'm fucking him, I just feel like a absolute killer. An absolute fucking killer. I feel like I can do anything. I feel like anyone that talks shit to me, I don't care if you have a better car than I do. I don't care if you're more jacked than I am. I am a fucking boss. And if someone doesn't want to respect me, if someone doesn't want to give me the time of day, I could not give a fuck less. Because I'm a killer. And I can do anything I put my fucking mind to. And I beat all odds in becoming successful. But the reality is the odds were always stacked in my favor. Because I was born this way and I wanted it more than anyone else. I wanted it way more than everyone. Like, I knew that I needed to get jacked. I knew that I needed to get the Lambo. I needed to get rich because I wanted to become the best man that I could possibly be. And I knew that by having this car, it would represent the man that I had to become. And it really is a surreal feeling. It actually is. Dude, this thing is so low though. Look at this. Like, you feel like you're just in a fucking missile. I'm in a missile. Should I just wake everyone up in the building? Oh, that's so fucked up. Wakey, wakey. The boss is here, bitch. The big boss is here, motherfucker. I need a bev, bro. I want like a big water and like a coconut water. Holy shit, bro. Holy shit. I don't want any part of that, bro. Oh, yep. Yep. There's a oh, yep. Yep. Oh my gosh. Yep. Oh my gosh, bro. That's crazy, bro. That's crazy. Oh my gosh, dude. Rip that guy. Rip that guy, bro. See, I told you I don't want no part of that because he would have pulled out and got me, bro, the Lambo. He would have been like, oh yeah, I'm pulling his ass over. I need to get over. He would have been like, I'm pulling his ass over. He's got a fucking Lambo. Tempe cops, they don't mess around, bro. That guy's getting impounded, I guarantee you. 100% getting impounded. 110%. Damn. Oh, damn, bro. I just looked over, bro. It was this Mexican dude, bro. He had a mustache. He just goes, oh, he's not going home with that car tonight. Wow. He was smoking, too. Literally, like, he was getting it. Wow, bro. Hey, sorry, bro. You're on your own. Yeah, another cop's pulling up, too. That fucking blows. That really fucking blows. But hey, shit happens. That's why I got the stealth mode. I'd put that shit in Strata real quick. Nobody's gonna catch me. Those guys were hella chill. Yeah, I'm in the stealth mode. I'm sneaking around, motherfucker. I'm a sneaker. Oh, what the fuck? I can't even get in. I can't even get in. Fucking bitch. Learn how to drive, bitch. Can't even get in. Alright. Let's get some gas up in this fucker. Actually, what am I fucking talking about? We don't need no gas. That shit ain't got no gas in it. Yeah, bro. Another thing too is like, this is a random piece of advice, but when you buy a Lamborghini, because I know if you're watching this video, you're going to fucking buy one. Never leave it parked with that front lift up. And you have to have all the doors closed. As soon as you open the door, it'll come all the way back up. But this is lowering the car, see? Lowering the car. You guys didn't see shit. I'm gonna roll these fucking windows up, dude. It's always another day where I live, bro. I live in Tempe, Arizona. It's like on the border of Scottsdale, and it is always a day. You see shit like that all the time. Lighting hits, bro. Hits, bro. Oh my gosh. Damn, son. Where'd you find this? From day trading. From fucking day trading, bro. This is it. Hi.
Oh, I didn't know if you were recording.
Yeah, I'm filming. It's all good. I'm just filming a YouTube video. Thank you.
You're on YouTube?
Yeah. What would you say, like, if a guy drove this car, is it a green flag or red flag?
Green flag.
Green flag? Yeah, 100%.
Yes. Bye.
Bet. Have a great night. Just another day having a Lambo, bro. We got that C2O coconut water. Guys, and real quick, I know my girlfriend's gonna watch this video. Babe, she was chopped. She came up to me, and I didn't even fucking do anything. Guys, like, I feel like having a Lamborghini is borderline the equivalent of being like a 10 out of 10 female. Like, that's the type of attention you get. I'm gonna get home safe, you guys. I appreciate y'all for watching it. Leave a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, do all that stuff, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.